Hey y'all, it's Charlie. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're new here, welcome aboard. My name is Charlie. Usually I do flight attendant and travel content, but now I'm doing travel in a different way. I'm converting this 2013 Ford Transit Connect into a little camper van. I'm going on a 2-month road trip, exactly 31 days from now. So I have 1 month to get this thing ready to go. I'm so excited. I have no idea what I'm doing, but I'm gonna bring you guys along. Let's get started. So the sound deadener is by Noiko. I read that you only have to cover 20% of the flat surface that you're putting it on. I do want to, once again, make it absolutely clear that I have no idea what I am doing. So now I'm going to take this Gorilla Heavy Duty Construction Adhesive to put on the wood beams. Good morning, you guys. Welcome to day 2 of my van build. I have a long list of things I want to get done today since yesterday kind of got held up with moving where I was building from my house to my neighbor's garage and just like talking to him. I had to wait for the wood in the back to cure with the adhesive that I used, but I have a long shopping list of things that I need to go get from Lowe's. Yeah, let's go drop this stuff off at the garage, go to Lowe's, and then get to building. So it definitely worked. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the measurements and start my shopping list for everything that I need from Lowe's today. Radio on blast, make the moment last. She got solar power. Minutes feel like hours. She knew she was the baddest. Can you even imagine falling like I did? For the love of my life. It's not straight. Also, I'm not a perfectionist in general. I'm very type B. But this is so far off that I simply have to move it. I mean, just look at that. That's insanely bad. I just want to shower and go to sleep. Hey guys, welcome to day 3. We're going to Lowe's. I think I've decided that I like Lowe's more than Home Depot because Lowe's feels like a store and Home Depot seems like a depot. Also, the customer service, I've noticed at Lowe's is more like a store and the customer service at Home Depot seems like a depot. So I finished staining the cedar planks for the ceiling. This is my first time staining anything, and I think it turned out well. It's not the exact color that I was going for, but it still looks beautiful. I want to add in the ceiling battens, and I heard that this is going to be a really, really hard task. So, wish me luck. Oh, I got it. Let's see what happens. Okay, so I recut this wood. Hopefully it fits in here perfectly and I can fix my mistake that I made yesterday. It's beautiful. It fits perfectly. So it's looking like I'm gonna need 2.5-inch screws. I do not want to go to Home Depot or Lowe's, but I guess I will. I'm so tired of that store. I know at least 3 of the employees by name. Okay, you guys, we are making progress. I just got back from Home Depot. These are 2 3/4 self-tapping wood to metal screws, and look at this. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay, the lighting is not the best and there's definitely someone leaf blowing right outside of my van. So I have about 14 days until I need to get this van done. Unfortunately, I am going to be working 11 of those 14 days. And when I say working, I don't have a job where I can just come back after work and work on the van. I'm gone. I'm a flight attendant. I'm not going to be here at all. So basically, today a lot is going to have to get done. I also have to move out of my house. I'm moving everything into storage. Someone else is going to be moving in while I'm gone. I don't know. I keep thinking I want to simplify my build just to get this done faster. I don't know what I'm going to do, you guys, but welcome to the van build day, whatever. Let's get this done.
It was just two lovers sitting in the car, listening to Blonde, falling for each other. Picking orange skies, feeling super childish, no Donald Glover. This call from my mother, like where you at tonight? Got no alibi. I was all alone with the love of my life. She's got glitter for skin, my radiant beam in the night. I don't need no light to see you shine. It's your
So as you guys saw, after day 7, I really realized how little time I had left to work on the van. So I pretty much just did montage all the way through until I finished. And honestly, I was super duper proud of the way that it turned out. I do have a decorate with me video on my YouTube shorts and TikTok coming if it's not already uploaded by the time you see this. But here's a sneak peek of how the van looks now. I'm so excited to get on the road with you guys. Thanks for watching.